Imagine waking up tomorrow morning. You grab your phone, check your bank account, and discover you've made money while doing absolutely nothing. No boss, no clocking in, no answering emails at midnight. Just money showing up while you were sleeping. Sounds like a scam, right? Well, here's the crazy part. Some people wake up every single day to exactly that. Not because they're lucky, not because they're geniuses, and definitely not because they're working 24 hours a day. They've simply built systems that continue generating income whether they're awake or not. Today, I'm going to show you 10 of the most realistic ways ordinary people are creating passive income streams, and which ones are actually worth your time. Because some of these can change your financial future, and others are probably a complete waste of effort. Let's start with the simplest one. 1. Index funds. If you've never heard of an index fund, don't worry. The concept is incredibly simple. Imagine trying to pick the single best player on a sports team. That's difficult. Now imagine owning the entire team. That's basically what an index fund does. Instead of betting on one company, you're investing in hundreds or even thousands of companies at the same time. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and many more. When those businesses grow, your investment grows too. The best part? You don't need to constantly watch the market. You don't need to analyze earnings reports. You don't need to guess which stock will explode next year. Historically, broad market index funds have done remarkably well over long periods of time. You invest, you wait, and time does most of the heavy lifting, not exciting, but often incredibly effective. 2. Dividend stocks. Now let's talk about getting paid simply for owning something. Imagine buying a small piece of a business. Every few months, that business sends you a share of its profits. That's what dividend stocks do. It's like owning a tiny apartment building without fixing toilets or dealing with tenants. Companies such as Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and many others have paid dividends for decades. The more shares you own, the larger your payments become. And if you reinvest those dividends, things start getting really interesting because now your money is earning money, which then earns even more money. It's one of the closest things finance has to a snowball rolling downhill. Small at first, massive later. 3. High-yield savings accounts. Let's be honest, most people leave their money sitting in a bank account earning almost nothing. It's like hiring an employee and telling them not to work. A high-yield savings account, or HYSA, allows your cash to earn significantly more interest while remaining accessible. Will it make you rich? No. But that's not really the point. Think of it as a parking spot for your emergency fund. Your money stays safe. You can access it when needed. And instead of collecting dust, it quietly earns interest every day. It's one of the easiest passive income streams anyone can start immediately. 4. Rental property. For generations, real estate has created wealth. And the reason is simple. People always need a place to live. When you own a rental property, tenants essentially pay you for the right to use your asset. Over time, two powerful things can happen. The property may increase in value, and your tenants may help pay down the mortgage. Of course, rental property isn't completely passive. Tenants call, things break, roofs leak at the worst possible moment. But with proper systems, or a property manager, it can become surprisingly hands-off. And that's why many wealthy people continue investing in real estate decade after decade. 5. REITs. Now maybe you're thinking, real estate sounds great, but I don't have hundreds of thousands of dollars. Fair point. That's where REITs come in. REIT stands for Real Estate Investment Trust. Think of it as an index fund for real estate. Instead of buying an entire building, you're buying a small piece of many buildings, office towers, apartment complexes, shopping centers, warehouses. And because many REITs distribute income to shareholders, you can receive regular payments without ever fixing a broken water heater. For people who want real estate exposure without landlord headaches, REITs can be a game changer. 6. Blogging. Now we're moving into the digital world. Imagine writing an article once and having people read it for years. That's the power of blogging. A useful blog post can attract visitors from search engines every single day. Those visitors can generate income through ads, affiliate links, sponsorships, or product sales. The catch? It takes time, a lot of time. Most blogs make almost nothing in the beginning. But if you consistently publish valuable content, a single article can continue generating income long after you forget you even wrote it. That's what makes blogging so powerful. You do the work once, the internet keeps working afterward. 7. YouTube. YouTube works in a very similar way, except instead of articles, you're creating videos. The amazing thing about YouTube is that a video you upload today could still be generating views and income years from now. Think about that. You create something once, and thousands of people can continue discovering it every month. Through advertising revenue, sponsorships, affiliate links, and product sales, YouTube can become a surprisingly powerful passive income machine. The difficult part is getting started. Most creators quit long before their channel gains momentum, but those who stay consistent often benefit from years of accumulated content working for them around the clock. 8. Selling online courses. Have a skill? Someone probably wants to learn it. Whether it's photography, coding, investing, fitness, design, or even baking, people pay for knowledge every day. An online course allows you to package your expertise into a product that can be sold repeatedly. You record it once, upload it once, and potentially sell it hundreds or thousands of times. It's essentially turning your knowledge into an asset. And unlike a traditional job, your income isn't limited by the number of hours you can personally work. 9. E-commerce. Most people think e-commerce means filling their garage with inventory, but that's not always true. Modern online businesses can operate through dropshipping, print-on-demand, or third-party fulfillment services, meaning products can be shipped without you touching every package. Once the system is built and optimized, sales can happen at any hour of the day, while you're working, while you're relaxing, and yes, even while you're sleeping. Of course, getting customers is still the hard part, but a well-run online store can continue generating revenue long after it's launched. 10. Affiliate marketing. And finally, one of the most popular passive income models on the internet, affiliate marketing. Here's how it works. You recommend a product or service. Someone purchases through your unique link. You earn a commission. That's it. No inventory, no customer support, no manufacturing. Companies handle everything else. Affiliate marketing can be combined with blogging, YouTube, social media, newsletters, or websites. And when done correctly, it creates income from content you've already published. Some creators earn commissions from videos they uploaded years ago. Imagine getting paid today for work you completed in 2022. That's the beauty of leverage. Now here's the truth nobody likes talking about. Most passive income isn't passive at the beginning. In fact, it's usually the opposite. You invest money, or you invest time, sometimes both. But eventually, if you build the right systems, those efforts can continue paying you long after the initial work is finished. That's the real goal, not getting rich overnight, not finding some secret hack, but creating assets that work harder than you do. Because the wealthiest people in the world understand something most people never learn. You can only work so many hours, but your money, your content, and your assets can work 24 hours a day, even while you're asleep. And if you could only start with one of these today, start with the one you'll actually stick with. Because the best passive income strategy isn't the most profitable one. It's the one you consistently build over time. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more content on building wealth, creating financial freedom, and making smarter money decisions. And remember, the goal isn't to sleep all day. The goal is to stop trading every hour of your life for a paycheck.